Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you are watching the pre-market show. And let us look at the happenings in the global markets. SGX Nifty is indicating 17,255, and that is slightly lower than where it was trading yesterday. Yesterday it was trading around it closed around 17,200, and if you look at the Friday's high, it was 17,328. So right now things have slightly cooled off because US futures are trading slightly lower. So 17,250 is again not a bad number to start with. It is also almost close to 100-point gap up, because the over here the markets Nifty closed around 17,158 on Friday, and again, so that is a significant gap up, so definitely good for Nifty. Coming to the global indices and the Asian markets and how they are trading right now. So if you look at the markets, we are seeing Hong Kong markets are trading in the negative 1%, and Chinese markets are also slightly negative 0.15%. So Hong Kong markets and Chinese markets are slightly negative, but Japanese market are significantly higher. It is, you can see it opened flat, but then it is moving up continuously. So it is up 0.47%, and Korean markets are up 0.3%. So overall, the US markets, the Asian markets are mixed, is what we can say. The Hong Kong Chinese markets are down, but Japanese and Korean markets are up. So that is what the Asian markets are doing. Coming to the US futures are almost slightly negative, is what we can see, 0.3% down. All three indices, S&P 500 futures, the Nasdaq futures, and Dow futures, all three are slightly negative, and this is fine because they were up significantly in the entire week last week, and also on Friday they were also up. So it is okay to be slightly negative, and that is not showing a much impact on the SGX Nifty. So coming to crude oil prices are trading at same $97.4 per barrel, so nothing significant happening there as well. And dollar index has been uniformly coming down, so it is also down today by 0.18%, 105.6. So that is again a good thing. USD INR is trading currently at 79.117. So again, Indian rupee is gaining strength, so that is again a positive sign for the markets, at least the Indian markets. Coming to Nifty analysis, so if you open up the 15-minute chart in Nifty 50, we will see that Nifty ended at the highest point of the day, so that indicates the markets are still bullish. So in case there is any fall, so we will be expecting a fall towards 17,000, and definitely the moving average, 200-day moving average, also there around 17,000. So that is what we will expect, and if that is broken, we have a gap filling to do at around 16,950, so that gap can also be filled. Not expecting a further fall from here. And on the upside, if you look at 70,200 to 220 level is a support, and the next is a resistance, and the next resistance should come around 17,434. Although the markets are likely to open above this level of 17,200, but we will see if it comes down and takes support over here. And yesterday's high should also be taken as a important support for the market in case it keeps falling. Coming to Bank Nifty, we saw that on Friday it was slightly bearish. It opened with a significant gap up, but then immediately started selling off. But again, it recovered, but it could not touch the day's high, unlike Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, what we will be doing is we're expecting a gap up, maybe around Friday's opening levels of 37,700. These are the levels maybe the markets could open up, but from there we have to wait and see how the markets react, if it trends upwards or downwards. If it trend upwards, then definitely 38,000 is the place where you should be targeting, because a lot of people had sold a lot of call options, and if the market breaks this level and moves higher, these people will be in trouble, and their short covering can propel the markets even higher. On the downside, definitely this yesterday's low, the Friday's low of 37,200 is to be watched out for, and then 37,000. If 37,000 is broken, then we will turn slightly bearish in the markets. So that is the plan for Bank Nifty today. So these are the levels you should be watching out for, and the intermediate level is 37,500, is exactly where the market has closed. So that can act as a support or resistance if the market is higher or lower respectively. Coming to the other things we will look at is definitely today some of the companies are coming out with its results. It's the results isn't going on, so definitely Nifty 50 stocks. We have ITC coming out with its results, but it is after market hours, so the impact will be seen only on the next day, that is Tuesday. And then we have the UPL. It will also come out with its results. UPL coming out with its results during market hours. It's again a Nifty 50 stock. And then if you're interested in Zomato is going to come out with its results today, but that is also coming out after market hours. So these are some of the results related issues that are going to be stock specific actions you can be watching out for. And definitely watch out for the metal index today. We have talked about yesterday in the week ahead show that metal index is in focus for this week, so definitely we will watch the metal index and how it performs, because on Friday itself it was up almost close to 4%. So we have to wait and see how the metal index performs today. And apart from that, there is nothing major, no major news or anything. So likely to, we were expecting the markets to be slightly bullish and maybe consolidate around these levels, because the markets had moved up significantly. And also keep in mind that there could be profit booking setting it at any time, so keep cautious. And overall things are clearly on the bullish side, so there is no reason to think of any bearish trade at the moment. So as and when the markets turn into slightly bearish, we will be keeping you updated, and obviously keep following the Telegram channel, so in case there is any trade ideas, those will be shared over there. So for now, that is all from my side. Thank you for watching and have a very good day.